Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and today you might be thinking to yourself, why the heck is she wearing a hat? Well, that is because for my 51st birthday, I got some really cool lavalier microphones. Haha, that, clip, and hopefully the sound is going to be so much better now. But if I clip it here, then my hair interferes with it and the dress moves around because I, move around a lot when I talk. I'm overly expressive, some might say. So I thought I'm going to put a hat on and clip it to the hat and we'll see how it all works out. And I think it's going to be pretty cool. And the hat matches perfectly with my lovely thrifted dress as well. But you're here because today's video is yet another before and after tour of the, fourth rental house that we have had to move to since moving to Toronto from Berlin. And this one actually was the worst of all of them as far as cleanliness and the amount of work we had to do. Although I do have a playlist sharing all the other houses and all the other work that we put into them to make them truly our own and in some cases make them livable. So I'll link that down below for you. Now, last time we checked out my nightmarish before and after of the kitchen, and today we are going to take a look at the front entryway and going up the stairs to the upstairs bathroom, which seriously, it's yet another nightmare, yet another horror story, and this one actually contains some bodily fluids that we had to deal with, which is absolutely vile. It's wonderful now though, so please, please, please cover your eyes for the before, but open them wide and experience the glorious after, plus the DIYs and tutorials that I used to make it so gorgeous.
This video was taken on our move-in day in 2022, which is why Mr. Jack is in the video. But I did video the whole house before the furniture and everything arrived, and you can see the stairs were just disgusting. This window was actually covered with mold, very gross to have to clean. But here is the bathroom, and the bidet from the last tenants was still on the toilet, and we had to remove it, and we had to clean all of that disgustingness. The towel rack was destroyed and it was missing and broken and never got replaced. The shower itself was full of mold, and I don't know who recalked this, but it was just a disgusting mess. They just put fresh caulk over moldy old caulk. And of course, what do you see on the door there? And here we are in the front entryway with, of course, the lovely curtain that we put on there. I have no idea how people can have open windows and stuff, especially on a front door. And our wonderful family pictures, and there just some little artwork. Here's all of the face masks that I have made throughout the years. And of course, we do still wear them. We take public transport. And over here, look. How easy was this to fix? That big hole where the doorknob kept hitting. This is just from Dollar Tree, and I think they come in a pack of 2. So very simple. Over here, we have my lovely cut in half Ikea tables, and we did this more than a few years ago, and they've just moved with us to every property, and they fit perfectly somewhere all the time. And how these are attached under here, you can see there on the wall, just with a really simple L bracket. I mean, again, you don't want to put super heavy stuff on there, but they're great for holding knickknacks and all of that. And there's the lovely mirror. I get to look at myself as I come down the stairs. And here are the stairs, which of course have been cleaned and painted. And look here, we have all of our family pictures going up just like they had in all the TV shows in the 80s, right? Going up the stairwell. And here is the other half of those tables that fit perfectly on the landing. And this window here really needed a lot of scrubbing. And again, we have to cover it up because it just doesn't look very nice, but that's okay. With these cheap and cheerful kind of paper blinds, it's fine. And all of my faux flowers here that I've scored at swaps and thrift shops and all that stuff. But here are the real plants. And of course, my adorable little fairy gardens that, I make
in teacups. And all of these tutorials will, of course, be down below for you. Look at these two massive pieces of artwork that we got for free on the Carrot app. They are huge and they fit wonderfully in the stairwell. And there we have some more pictures and my awesomely amazing, massive fabric artwork, which once again, I'll link it down below for you. Or perhaps we should just jump to that tutorial right now.
So this was trash in 2019, but the glass wasn't broken, so I knew I could make it into something amazing. So I brought it home, took it apart, painted the frame a lovely Refashionista pink, then grabbed some matching fabric from my stash, stitched that together in the size that would actually fit over top of that existing poster board. Then I glued it to the poster board, of course, making sure that all of the edges wrapped around nicely, and popped it back in the frame, and now I have a gorgeous piece of Refashionista art.
Let us take a look at the wonderfully clean and refreshed bathroom now. As you can see, once again, a lot of scrubbing and painting. And of course, we put up the shower curtain rod and the shower curtain and these towel bars as well. We purchased and put them up. Yeah, look over there. Look at that. Absolutely spotless everywhere. The mirror is from a thrift store, and then I just painted it black. Those tiles are just those stick-on tiles from the Dollar Tree, but it makes a very good backsplash there, and we can remove them and switch them out whenever we want to. This here, my absolutely gorgeous medicine cabinet, you can see. And you may be thinking, Refashionista Sheri, where did you purchase such a beauteous medicine cabinet? I didn't purchase it. I upcycled it from an old one. And here's how I did it.
I found this less than stellar bathroom cabinet in the trash in 2018, so I took it home, I cleaned it up, took it apart, painted the wooden door black, then I grabbed the tulip stickers that I had scored at the flea market, stuck them on the door, varnished the whole thing, and then I covered the outside with some fun washable easy wipe fabric and the inside with some dollar store vinyl. Then I painted the handle to match those lovely tulips, and I have my gorgeous medicine cabinet.
And down over here is yet another thrifted spice rack. And I just think these spice racks are so great for so many things, so many more things than spices. Like, look, I painted this one black so it goes with the bathroom decor, and it fits all of these little bottles that otherwise are just kind of cluttering up, you know, maybe the top of your toilet tank or something. And then, of course, very cute little succulent or faux succulent plants there. Here are some of the lovely vintage artwork pieces that came over from Germany. And of course, we had to paint that absolutely gross light fixture, and now it looks lovely with the wonderful thrifted painted mirror. And these I actually found in the garbage, and I cleaned them up and I painted the frames black, and they're perfect bathroom decor. And this is another one from Germany, just some, you know, German architecture. And then we come to this fantastic shelf that holds everything, because this isn't the biggest bathroom, but I think I've maximized the space pretty well with this old Ikea shelf, plus these drawer basket things from Dollar Tree, and everybody has their own basket. And as you can see, there's like all of my makeup, there's the hair tools, some more face stuff, hair stuff down there, but everything fits nicely and it's perfect behind the door there. Otherwise, I don't know where we would have put anything. Oh, let's look at the toilet. The absolutely sparkling, clean, refreshed toilet, like seriously. And you know what? I'm not against bidets, not at all. Look, I even have my own bidet sprayer there because I have a clean bottom, and I like my bottom to be clean. And anyone who disagrees has clearly never tried one of these because it is so wonderful and refreshing, and you just feel great. So that's enough of my ad for bidets. But let's see. In the shower here, you can see all of that gross mold and disgusting caulk is in fact gone because we got rid of it and replaced it. And this here we've had since my kiddo was a baby, actually, in Germany, and it came over with us. It's very, very old from Ikea, but it holds everything in the bathtub. It's great. And again, this is just from Dollar Tree. And, you know, I mean, it's a bathtub, right? It's a nice, clean bathtub. Oh, I also highly recommend getting one of these if you can. And this one, actually, I got, it was sent to me because years and years ago, I did a collaboration with this company, but it's basically just a suction cup that sticks on the wall. But what you can do is you grab your shower head and you can have it there, or you can have it up there, which is fantastic for when you do not want to have to wash your hair or put on a shower cap. That's why I have this here, because it's the perfect height for me to not have to wash my hair, but still take a shower. I'm just going to interrupt myself because I forgot to mention that I made this absolutely lovely little curtain here for the bathroom. And I'm pretty proud of it because if there's one thing I absolutely can't stand, it is making curtains, hemming curtains. I just, you know, curtains are my nemesis, but this one actually came out really, really well, and I'm pretty darn proud of it. So that is my lovely little bathroom here, and this is my room. You see there with the S on it, and if you'd like to see that next, just let me know. Oh, also, if you've been with me for a while, you will recognize this wonderful scrappy wall hanging, and of course I shall link that oldie but goodie tutorial down below for you. Or better yet, you know what? Let's just make it right now.
And we're going back to 2015 and look at young Sheri there with her layered hair and her cool romper and scarf. I still have both of those items. So to make this, of course, what you need is some scrappy strips, a stick, and some scissors. That is all. And you just want to lay out all your scrappy strips however you want them to hang. And for some of them, you may have to sew them on. For other ones, you can just kind of poke them through like I did with this crocheted strip here. Other ones, you can do like a little slip knot, and still other ones, you can simply tie them around. Once you have them all lined up exactly how you want them, add on your little hanging ribbon, and then go ahead and hang it up and chop the bottom so it's nice and even, or you can do whatever kind of shape you want.
And there is my lovely scrappy wall hanging that I've actually had since 2015 when I made it, and it is still going strong, still looking awesome, and now it has this absolutely adorable S that hangs with it on my bedroom door. Speaking of my bedroom, I think it's kind of messy, but here's a little sneak peek of my bedroom. Look at all those clothes and everything, and you know what? Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I will catch you on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.